Hi there, today we are making this AirPod pouch. These are the materials I used in this video. Make a slip knot to start the project. Then, chain 8 to create a foundation chain. Here I am using this color just for optimal stitch visibility. And I would personally prefer a deeper green for this project. Now, we are about to start the first round. Turn your work a little bit. Hook goes in the back pump of the second chain from the hook. Work one single crochet in each of 6 back pumps. And don't forget to mark the first stitch of each round. After that, work 3 single crochets in the next back pump. 1, 2, 3. 3 single crochets make a turn, which takes us to the opposite side of the foundation chain. Work one single crochet in each of 5 chains. After that, work 2 single crochets in the last chain. Make a slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1 to start round 2. First, make 1 increase. That's 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then, it's 1 single crochet in each of 5 stitches. Next, make 1 increase in each of 3 stitches. After that, it's 1 single crochet in each of 5 stitches. In the end, make 1 increase in each of the last 2 stitches. Make a slip stitch to join the round 2. The next 11 rounds are identical. Chain 1 to start. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch. It's a total of 22 single crochets for each round. And slip stitch to join. Round 13 is completed. And of course you may work a few more rounds to achieve the appropriate size. Chain 1 to start the last round of the body. First, we make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, it's 3 incomplete treble crochets together. If you are new to this stitch, you may want to follow closely. Yarn over twice. And the hook goes in. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Now, we have 1 incomplete treble crochet. And we need 3. Repeat to make the other 2 in the same stitch. Two. 3. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook to close. Then, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Next, it's 1 slip stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 8 to make the buttonhole. Which takes up 1 stitch. So, we need to skip it. And work 1 slip stitch in each of 2 stitches. Then, it's 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, it's 3 incomplete treble crochets together. After that, work one single crochet in each of 12 stitches to finish the round. Make a slip stitch to join the first stitch. Snip yarn. Conceal and fix the yarn end. The body is completed. And let's start making the legs. The hook goes in the space between rounds 5 and 6. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 12. Then, we're going to work into the back pumps. Starting from the second back pump. Work one slip stitch in each of 2 back pumps. Then, mark the next back pump. Chain 3. Again, starting from the second back pump. Work one slip stitch in each of 2 back pumps. And chain 3 again. Work 2 slip stitches. Next, starting from the marked pump. Work slip stitches orderly. Tie a couple of knots to finish. One leg is completed. Make the other 3 in the same way. Here I am using glue to attach the eyes. You can also create the eye shapes by stitching with black yarn. Create a froggy smile using red yarn. Sew a button on. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next project.